Welcome back, friends. This is Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting, here with the last bit of my Diamond Dots haul. This is another one that I believe was not originally available for the US and that I coveted for a little bit before I saw it on Joann's website and was happy. So there's the complete picture. Looks like it's got 38 colors. And let me see if we got a size on here. It's 26.7 inches by 18.5 inches. 68 by 47 centimeters. Which, the way that they have it sized also makes me think that it's not originally for a US market, but I'm pretty stoked nonetheless to be getting one. Now I think this is probably the biggest Diamond Dots I've ever done. Definitely the biggest full drill. Then again, maybe not. It's only intermediate. So, I don't know, guys. We'll see. Okay, and this one's called Mythical Dragon. And it's like a blue and gold Chinese style dragon. And I just think it's really pretty. So first things first, there's our kit. Classic Diamond Dots kit. Gray tray, squishy, pot of wax, single placing pen, baggies. Nothing unexpected there. Here is the Diamond Dots bag, slightly different from the last one we opened, but still says add some sparkle to your world on it. So looks like they do when they are doing their own branded kits. Maybe they do put something on the bags. Again, a lot of these, it's hard to tell when things were unpacked and whatnot. So, you know, it can be difficult sometimes to know. All right, well, already, so we got a drop of glue on the back here. That's no biggie, though. I will put some washi tape or something over it so it doesn't stick to everything. And we're just rolling it backwards because, again, there's our multiple language. This looks like this one's all in one big unfoldable sheet. But that's our instruction sheet. That will tell you how to diamond paint in whatever language you need. I don't keep those because we all know I know how to diamond paint. So we're going to lay this out. So yeah, this is definitely a little bit bigger. It's not as long as the Parrots one that I did, obviously, but that one was shorter. So I think, you know, and also partial. So, you know. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this back. Because, for whatever reason, I don't know if they roll these up while putting the cover on or what they do, but for whatever reason, we get gaps. Under the plastic, and I don't like them. They are not damaging in any way, but I just don't like them. So we're gonna smooth them out. Okay, good enough. All right, so we have this sort of Chinese style dragon holding a big orb of some sort. I like to think of it as a giant pearl just because I play Flight Rising and there's a dragon called Pearl Catchers that have a big pearl that they hold. And then this kind of like storm going on in the background. It looks like we've got one AB drill, which looks like it's like in the froth of the waves or the storm. I think he's coming out of, let me see. Yeah, it looks like he's, well, I can't tell if those are supposed to be clouds or sky. But, you know, he's kind of, it looks like kind of a thunderstorm, so could just be clouds down here, but there's like this frothiness. There's like a thread caught in there. I will just deal with that later. There's, you know, like on the little edges of like the waves or curls or whatever this is, there's some ABs. And then let's see, any else that jumps up out at me. I don't see any other things that jump out at me, but I'm really pleased, honestly. I will be very open about the fact that Diamond Dotz images are not always to my liking. They are kind of hit and miss as far as their images. Some of them are just god-awful. For the most part, their complete drills are kind of like, they're mostly okay. Some of their like IP licensed stuff, like the Harry Potter stuff and things like that, I'm not a huge fan of. I feel like they could have done better, but they didn't bother. But there are some good ones in here, like this one, that really just get me excited. So I'm pretty happy with this one. We'll just do a quick, you know, the basics. Check how sticky it is. Definitely sticky. Not as sticky as the last one I opened, which was that red vase. I don't honestly know what would make a difference in how sticky their glue is, but that one was really sticky for some reason. Okay, I apologize for the yawn, guys. Let us get out the drills. So again, there are 38 colors in this. And we have our AB, which seems to be this kind of pale seafoam green, which makes me think more and more that it's waves that are coming out of here, but with the way that this is a thunderstorm, it could also be clouds. So, and we'll just go through all of our colors. I think that the AB is going to be the only really special thing in here, but on this one, the image itself is what's special more than, you know, some interesting drills. So I'm not as concerned about that. And I think that Diamond Dotz does tend to go understated rather than all out when it comes to ABs. And I think that is a good call to make. Plus, if you wanted to dress it up, you could just go buy some freestyle drills if you wanted to. Oh, nope. Looks like there is another AB hiding in here that I didn't see. Oh, there's a couple more. Yep, there they are. Okay, well, color me. Apparently on this one, they didn't list them all in one spot on the key. So there's a yellow AB, which is this dash here. So his whiskers along the spines, that's gonna look sweet. We got this pale yellow, and then we've got a white AB. So the lightning is gonna be Aurora Borealis. That is gonna look really sweet. So, not gonna lie, I wasn't disappointed, but seeing the extra little touches of AB did kind of ramp up my excitement on this. So you can definitely tell that this is going to look incredible when it's finished. I think we're going to call it there, though. I feel like every time I film one of these, I look at the canvas and I'm just like, when am I going to do this one? Because I really want to do this one. And it's not going to be soon enough because I have too many to do. However, I am still pretty excited about this one, and it's gonna look so good. I'm just so excited. So if you guys see any of these like really cool Diamond Dots ones that have, you know, maybe weren't originally made for the US market, things like that, definitely feel free to leave a comment and tell me where you saw them. I would love to go see, because I'm just interested. Hopefully I can stop myself from buying them, but you know, if I see one I want, I'm gonna go for it. Anyway, also tell me what you think. Do you love this painting? I know I do. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and I will catch you all in my next one.